So let's see if we can get this one cleaned up a little bit. Right, little spring goes on the bottom. That's to remind me for when I put it back together. Oh, there's a bit of a burr on there. A little bit on there. It's been hit with a hammer along the back there or something. Okay guys, I've given it a clean up. I've taken off every burr, every lump that would annoy you as you were trying to use it. It feels really nice in the hand now. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to degrease it, leave it as it is, degrease it, and then I think we'll use some gun blue on it. Something like that anyway. Right, off to the kitchen sink. Okay guys, I think I've got oil on there somehow. Yeah, well, bad cleaning. Yeah, I'll let it dry. Okay, I gave it another clean up. Let's have another go. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but feels a lot nicer in the hand, so we'll put some wax on it. I'm going to wax up this one while we're at it. Maybe 100 years separate these two tools. Brilliant design, well designed back then, and still usable. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you on the next one.